Welcome, here I've got NOKIA G50 5G and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on the big button at the center of the shutter, so let's start to show you how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play our video by using center button. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.